Squatching ain't easy. But it sure is fun. I think we found a pretty good spot right here. We'll hang out a little bit. See if we can see what our knocks sound like. Do a little bit else. So we got this new gadget, parabolic microphone. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Pretty sweet. Should be really quiet tonight since it's the winter compared to the summer. Not all those bugs making a lot of noise. We might be able to hear something. Remember those good old days when you just had to wait it forever to see a Bigfoot movie, to see the old In Search of Sasquatch. Remember when the $6 Million Man was hunting the Bigfoot, and the Bigfoot ended up on a UFO. You had to wait 2 weeks. There was 2 episodes. Those were the good old days. The mysterious monsters. I remember seeing that advertised in the paper, and then you had to find somebody's parent to drive you to the matinee. We went to the Peak Theater and watched Mysterious Monsters. Man, that really set it off for me. These days, you can watch it anytime you want. I could probably find 1 million Bigfoot videos on the YouTube right now. Yep, those were the good old days. Let's see what a knock will sound like. Not bad. That's good. Warm you up. Start off with the UFO simulator. See what that brings up. Nothing. And do some knocks and then listen with the bionic ear. Busted my knocker. Found an improvised knocker. Let's try this again. One more time.
Might have heard a little knock. I don't know, I thought we got lucky. Try a couple of whoops. All right, here we go. We're gonna do some calls. Nothing. Not even coyotes or anything. Too cold. Try it again. Nothing. So I got this Aztec death whistle for Christmas. Let's see what that does. See if I can get it right. Nothing. Well, there you go. Didn't hear anything, didn't see anything. But again, we got out into nature. It's kind of cold, it's up 15 degrees. Maybe that's why Bigfoot's not out here. He ain't no dummy. So, we'll probably come back here next summer, or this summer coming up. It'll be a different. Maybe Bigfoot will be out here. But he's an interdimensional creature. So maybe this kind of hunting just doesn't work. All these electronics and stuff knows we're here. So we'll head back to the house. Get ready for the next one. It is pretty cold out here. Ooh. Hope I can find my way back. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. So, thanks for watching. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.